Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is another Sunday reset. I'm actually filming this on Saturday because we have to take the boys school shopping on Sunday. In today's video, you're going to see me doing everything. I will be cleaning the garage, cleaning my house, and grooming a dog.
But it's like I did it just to spite you because
I first wanted to make sure that the washer machine was going because I was determined to get all of the laundry done today. And then I went outside to read my Bible because it was such a beautiful day out today. And we live in Minnesota, so fall is coming and then the snow will be here. So I wanted to enjoy these last couple weeks before it starts getting cold.
It's better we leave it all behind. It hasn't always been like this.
After I was done reading my Bible, I had to bring my niece to work, and then I came home, switched over the laundry, and then I went into the garage. My husband is working on our push mower because I want to use that in the backyard, and then I started to work on these cat houses. We have 4 outdoor cats, and last year we used these cat houses that my husband made. They're not houses, they're more like cages. We were letting the cats just run around in the garage, but then we had our new vehicle in here and they started to climb on our vehicle. So my husband built these cages for them. During the day, I would move my vehicle out and then they would play in the garage. And then at nighttime, we would put them in these cages and they would stay in there until the morning. But we don't need them no more because we built an outdoor cat house for them, and I am determined to get these cat houses out of my garage. I want to bring my garage back. It is just full of cat hair and everything, so I don't have long to do it before winter will be here, and I want to power wash the cement floor because it does smell like cats in our garage, and I want to get that smell out before winter time comes.
Can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
It may not look like the lawnmower is running, but it is. I don't know why it was smoking a lot, but my husband worked on it a little bit more and he got it working for me. So I was super excited about that. Like I said, I was determined today to get the laundry done. I did not film all of me doing the laundry, but I did a lot of loads today. And yes, a couple of our towels look really crazy looking. That's because my daughter likes to dye her hair, so I have these old towels that I have her use when dyeing her hair because I am sick and tired of her using my white towels and ruining them.
Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You weren't always like this. Don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you. Guess that I couldn't do that. Oh, but I know now.
I was so happy when I got the kids' laundry done. If you know, you know. I don't like doing laundry. I feel like it's a never-ending thing in my house. So to see the kids' laundry completely caught up made me happy.
In your rain, why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar.
The living room was not bad. The living room is never that bad, but having so many dogs, the floor does get dirty. So I did have to sweep the entire house, but I did not mop today. I did mop the day before, and I mop like every other day in my house. I try to not mop as much because I was mopping every single day, like I said in my last video. So I'm trying not to do that, but today I just didn't have the time to do it. So I just swept the house, and I will mop it probably on Monday.
Into a long
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through?
I'm going to do a fall cleaning here soon. I am really excited to do it because there is so much cleaning I want to get done before the fall time. So stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed if you want to see that video.
Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? I wanna hear your voice over the phone. Can I call you when I get back home? So we can talk about you and I, you and I. Or can you tell me what you wanna do? I'll do anything you ask me to, as long as I can spend the day with you, day with you. Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? I just can't stop thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? Again sometime. Oh, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Can I see you again? Yeah. By your door, pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, do it again sometime.
so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight...
Like I told you guys before, we have 7 mini schnauzers, so when we go to take them in to get groomed, it costs us between $400 to $500. So I came up with this brilliant idea to groom them myself. I bought this grooming table from Amazon and I bought the clippers and everything. I think it was like under $200 for everything. But of course, they didn't send us the one piece that we needed. So my husband rigged something up so I could at least groom one of the dogs tonight. I decided to groom Rocky because he is the calmest dog that we have. Now, if a stranger comes over, Rocky will attack you. He has PTSD, he has anxiety, he has a lot of stuff, but for us, he is the sweetest one. He will cuddle up with you, lay with you. He's just amazing. Now, like I said, this is my first time grooming a dog ever in my life, and I was so nervous. I didn't care if I messed up on his haircut. I was just scared I was going to cut him, but I did not cut him, and I feel like I did pretty good on his haircut. My husband said that if he had to pay for this haircut, he would pay $20. I think he's messing with me. This haircut is worth at least $50.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
It took me a lot longer to groom Rocky than I thought it was going to. It took me about an hour, and then I had to clean up. So it took about an hour and a half. And the boys started to get hungry, so I went to the kitchen and started making them dinner. I found this recipe on TikTok. You use, garlic bread, and you toast them in the air fryer for, I think, 5 minutes is what I did. And then you take them out, you put some marinara sauce on them with some cheese and pepperonis if you want them, and whatever you want or whatever you like to put on your pizzas. And then you put them back in the air fryer for 2 minutes, and voila, you're done. Supper's done. Now, I thought that this was going to be a quick and easy meal, which it is, but we can only fit 4 pieces of the garlic bread in our air fryer at a time. So it took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I ended up making 2 boxes of them because there is 6 people in the house, and I thought everyone was going to eat all of them up. But my daughter and my niece had to work tonight, so they did not get to enjoy these. So we had some left over, and I just put them in the refrigerator, and I'm sure someone will eat them later. And I know that I say so a lot. It is late right now. I'm tired, and I want to get this done so I can go to bed. And I also changed my clothes 3 times today because I cleaned the cat area and I got disgusting, and then I groomed my dog, and I had fur everywhere, so I had to change again. So there's a lot of outfit changes, but trust me, this was all done in one day.
You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want.
I went back and forth making supper and cleaning the kitchen. It was crazy and just a hassle, but at the end, it all got done, and I was happy. I was really trying to hurry cleaning the house because I wanted to sit down, eat dinner, and then edit this video and get this ready for tomorrow, which would be today, Sunday.
I say yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Once I was done with supper and cleaning the kitchen, I moved on to the dining room area. And of course, our kitchen table was cluttered with stuff again. And I'm convinced at this point it is my husband and I who cluttered the table. I have a problem with putting things there because I don't put it where it needs to go. I just put it like in the halfway point. It makes no sense, I know, but I got that done, and then I swept the floor, and then I think I was pretty much done cleaning the house.
Figure it out. Figure it out. We haven't been our best for long. I think that we're just holding on to something that won't work out. Maybe we should walk away, just say goodbye and go our separate ways. I can feel it deep inside. We will never.
Oh, I forgot. I'm still making supper. And don't worry, I did wash my hands. I wash my hands a lot throughout the day. If I touch the garbage can, I'm going to wash my hands. If I am playing with the dogs, I will wash my hands. If I'm going to make food, I am a germaphobe like that. So don't worry. I do wash my hands, or I did wash my hands.
What's happening right now? I think we're falling down. I think we're falling down. I tried so hard to make you happy.
I ended up having one piece for supper, and that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.